Testing is really important. When you're designing something that's new, you don't know how it's going to work. And so the best way to figure out if something's going to work is to have people who aren't thinking about the project and aren't working on the project, and quite frankly, your future audience for the project, to actually bring them in and have them try it out. There are lots of different ways where we collect feedback. If we're having kind of a one-on-one colleague type playtest, we'll just have a discussion after we're done. During the more structured playtests, we are often taking notes and making observations as people are playing the game. And then afterwards, we'll have a discussion where we ask different people questions like, how did that game go for you? What was your experience like? What things worked well? What things maybe would you like to change? And do you have any other feedback for us? When you're asking testers to give you feedback on a project, it's really good to give them a lot of latitude to basically ask open-ended questions. And that can be very helpful in that you're getting people's experiences, you're not kind of forcing them into a box. And so we often try to make our questions very broad, but also questions that an individual can answer, something from their own experience with the game, not thinking about any of the mechanics, but really the bigger picture, the feel of the game. So some advice I have, if this is your first time when you're trying something out, is don't wait until it's perfect to actually share it with somebody else. In fact, the best time to share your ideas with somebody else are when they're just about ready to be understood by somebody else. That you can often prototype something that you eventually want to do online on paper. You can create a different way of communicating your ideas and testing them along the way. Oftentimes that testing gives you new ideas and maybe even might spark a whole new direction to the project.